Article 17. Article 17 says abolition of untouchability. Abolition of a practice of untouchability. The Untouchability Offence Act 1955 renamed it as Protection of Civil Rights Act 1976. After that, whoever follows the untouchability, penalties are following. Such kind of penalties are also provided by the from entering a place of worship, from taking water from a tank or well. Any form of untouchability is forbidden. Enforcement of untouchability is forbidden. Enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence, punishable in accordance with law. Like that way, Untouchability Prevention Act enrolled in 1976 as a Protection of Civil Rights Act. According to that, there are some supporting laws to the abolition of untouchability. Such kind of articles are Equality before law, Article 14. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination against religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Article 16, Equality of opportunities in the matter of public employment. Article 19, Protection of certain rights from freedom of speech, etc. Article 20, Protection in rights of conviction for the offences. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 23, Protection of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in factories. Article 39, Certain principles of policy to be followed by the state. Article 43, Living wages, etc. for workers. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. Article 45, Revision for a free and compulsory education for children. Like this way, many kinds of articles are supported to the Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Such kind of abolition of untouchability was renamed as a Protection of Civil Rights Act 1976.